one. And this is a early problem by the team past the season. Five down shot clock. Agaw. Neto ni Collins Akowe. Akowe. To the other side. Moral for three. Miss. Offensive rebound. No Mamadou. To challenge Akowe. Here at the early corner. Here at the early minute ng ating final quarter. 1 minute gone by. 10 shot clock. Fire outside. Basket count by Velasquez. Napatakpong mayaman. Etong si Velasquez, tatlo na lamang yung kalamangan ng ECP. Chog Moral. Outside. Missed by Batang Mamaw. Decent give and go. Napakaraming mga plays. Basket para dyan sa ating Santo Niño Pampang. Mula kanina sa first half, lamang talaga sila sa takbuhan dito eh. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng ECP. Pinwersa ni Chog Moral. And that is a charging by Batang Mamaw and Akowe. Nakatuwang na siya dyan. At yun ang sinasabi natin na twist ng Interbarangay ngayon. The Reinforcement Cup. And from Rob Tuason, just sending love your way. Mwah. Also big respect to Louis Ocampo of Barangay Marisol, true hangtime player. And RAA standout. Slam dunk! And habang huwag masyadong lambitinin yung ring sa pagdunk niya. Pang 5 dunk na niya yan. At mukhang yuyuko na yung ring dito. Oh ho ho! Habang speaking of Akowe, napirahan ng tres yung ECP. And this is now a tie ball, 7-6. There's a 3-point shots. Surprising 3-point shots by the Santo Niño Pampang ng ating Game 1 Championship. The Flying Ernest. Ernesto step back 3. That was short. Offensive rebound. Second try. Wala pa rin. Chog. Pass to Eugene. Fire 3. Bang strong. Chance for Santo Niño na makalamang sa ikalawang pagkakataon. Ernesto Basangan. Ball screen. Drive. And time. There's a foul. Chog Moral. Kick out. Gimao. Ball pick. Gimao attack. Pasa sa kanto. Open. Bang bang. 3-point shots. Good setup to find it open. 79-77, dalawa na uli for the ECP. There's a foul, another connected. Moral, bantay sarado kaagad ang depensa. Now Gimao. Gimao isolation. Ball screen by Collins. Fine open Gimao. Missed the tray. Chance for Santo Niño. Makalamang Lakindanom. Lakindanom slice. Tap by Gimao. Ball recover for the lead. Decent miss. Wala. Offensive rebound. Yumon naman ngayon may pagkakataong tumira. Pasa dun sa kabila. Agaw ni Gimao. 5:15 game clock. Now ECP. Sila naman ngayon ang may pagkakataon na ibalik ang kalamangan. On the corner. Lagban. Yes! Puts it off the glass for two. Huling 5 minuto ng game number 1. Ernesto Basangan. Dixon on the corner. Back to Basangan. Kontra Chog Moral. Basangan. Get the pull-up jumper. Deadlock. Balik na naman. Third deadlock here in the fourth quarter. 22K watching para dito sa napakagandang game number 1 ng Angeles City Interbarangay. The one handle missed by Eugene. Here now by Dizon, and that was an obvious blocking foul for Gimao. All family, ingat lagi kayo dyan, stay strong. Keep safe palagi. And shout out Aldin Cruz from Macabebe, from Robbie Tuason. Bisa ka pa na eh. Ito na. Santo Niño. Pow! Airball! But there is a front back. Is it true? By Dizon, 4 minutes on the game clock. Lamang ng tatlo ngayon ng Santo Niño. Sumisigaw ang mga taga-Pampanga. Track! Kaboom! Sagot na mga taga-Pulong-Pulo. Pamatay sunog. Tabla ulit tayo. Pow! Short from Trip. Now ran by Easy Prim. Diskarte ni Chog. Call a screen. Chog fire. No. Mamadou. Rebound to Ernesto. Basangan fire. Bam! 3-point shots. 3 minutong natitira dito sa fourth quarter. Palitan ng mga tres. Gimao, moral answer. That was bounced from Push by Laquintanum, finding Yumel from the other side. That is a free 2 points para makuha yung ating estratehiya. 2:25 remaining, 10 on the game clock. Peña to Gimao, 5 down shot clock. Double team pinilit ni Gimao for the fall away. Rebound natin para kay Mamadou. Oh, nagkayakapan. 2:10 on the game clock. Di na nagmamadali dito si Pasangan. Lamang ng 4. Okay, everyone. We're now entering to the twilight zone. Pero bago yan, isang masakit na tres by Pasangan. The final 2 minutes brought to you by Liga Power Hopes Pampanga. Gimao now for the final countdown. Here the game 1. Wow. Pampanga. 1 Gimao. And that is only 1 free throw. Again by Gimao. 92-87. Dinidiskartihan na dito ng ating Santo Niño Pampang na ikalma ang atake para umandar ang oras, agawan ng bola. And that is a turnover. And the Gimao. Hesi fire tray. No! Nawala ng bala ang batang Mamao. Here now by Pau. Pau. Pass to number 4 Basangan. They are now calling the attack to melting the clock. Almost steal. Mamadou dive to save the ball by Basangan. Extra drop goal. Didn't catch it good. A mission ball game. Or rather, that was a 5 points. 2 possession ball game. Corner by Chog. No! Di epektibo. Etong moral ni Chog ngayon. And wisely melting clock. Pero si Pau, wala nang ubos-ubos oras. Ubusin natin ang lakas. Pampanga. Grabing liderato netong ni Paul Laquintanum. 48 remaining. Whoa! Mamadou for the shot block. Ang naaamoy na ng ating Santo Niño Pampanga na sila ang mag-uuwi ng Game 1. Still finding a way to make score. ECP. Medyo mahirap na itong sitwasyon ngayon ng ating ECP. may 38 seconds pa tayo. And securing connect that two by Collins, a coating player na huwag magpabaya. Full press defense by the ECP, trying to cross and made it to cross. 30 seconds, still pressing the ball to melting the clock. Ito na yung sinasabi natin na extra drop. Kimau, easy made 2 points. 24 remaining from City, here at the City of Angeles. And now still press made by the Team ACP na ilipat ng ating Santo Niño. 14 remaining on the shot clock. Mr. Chuck get the rebound. Pilet. 4 shot 10 remaining. Chance by the ECP. Oh. Throwing etong huling 8 segundo. 3 kalamangan. Sino ang titira? Oh! Missed by Andy. That is a play from Andy Gimao. And pero siya pa rin yung naging reason dito ng Santo Niño Pampanga para mabuhayan ng loob. Maiuwi ang unang laban, ang unang panalo dito sa ating best of 3 series.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo!